The UK government is scrutinizing the application of international human rights law in immigration cases, specifically focusing on how it allows individuals who entered the country irregularly to remain. This review, spearheaded by Home Secretary Yvette Cooper, follows Prime Minister Keir Starmer's February comments characterizing this aspect of the legal framework as a loophole. While neither the Prime Minister nor the Home Secretary have publicly detailed their proposed reforms, the review signals a significant shift in the government's approach to immigration. Cooper's recent actions underscore the government's determination to address illegal immigration. Last Sunday, she unveiled a robust crackdown on businesses, particularly in the gig economy, encompassing sectors like takeaways and barbershops that employ individuals lacking the necessary visa documentation. This initiative aims to dismantle the exploitative practices often associated with illegal employment and to deter future violations. Furthermore, Cooper is hosting an international summit in London on Monday, focusing on combating organized crime related to migration. This summit underscores the UK's commitment to international collaboration in tackling this complex global challenge. The urgency of this review is amplified by the alarming increase in small boat crossings. This month alone, the number of arrivals surpassed 5,000, a figure exceeding previous year's totals for the same period. This unprecedented surge necessitates swift and decisive action. The government is acutely aware of the public's concerns surrounding the increasing number of irregular arrivals and the strain it places on public services. The review of human rights law application is intended to address this issue while ensuring the UK upholds its international obligations. However, the government's approach faces significant complexities. The use of human rights law to protect vulnerable individuals, including those fleeing persecution or facing imminent danger, is a cornerstone of international humanitarian law. Striking a balance between effective border control and upholding fundamental human rights will require careful consideration and a nuanced understanding of the legal framework. The government's challenge lies in crafting a solution that effectively addresses the concerns regarding illegal immigration while avoiding undermining the protections afforded under international human rights law. This delicate balancing act will require substantial legislative and policy changes, the specifics of which remain to be seen. The coming weeks and months will undoubtedly witness intense debate and scrutiny of the government's proposals, as stakeholders and the public grapple with the complexities of this critical issue. The government's ultimate goal is to create a more secure and controlled immigration system while adhering to its international legal commitments and protecting vulnerable individuals. The success of this endeavor will depend heavily on the careful and considered approach adopted during the ongoing review process. Stay informed by signing up for First Edition for the latest updates on this developing situation.